Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will start to solve the Andhra Pradesh set and Telangana set previous mathematics questions and answers. In this video we will go through the real analysis questions. Okay, the very first question, if alpha and beta respectively denote the infimum and supremum of the sequence -1 whole to the power of n divided by n, where n is set of natural numbers, where n is that is 1, 2, 3 and so on, then what is alpha minus beta? Because they are multiple choice questions, so the options are A -1 by 2, B -1, C 1 by 2, D -3 by 2. Let us see the solution. My dear viewers, before going to solve this question, we have to learn some basic definitions called what is an infimum and supremum for a given sequence. Okay? Now, consider a sequence of real numbers an, where n is equal to 1 to infinity. Then, what is the infimum or the greatest lower bound for the sequence an? Okay, so in the short form we call GLB, greatest lower bound. Okay, the number m is the infimum or the greatest lower bound for the sequence an if m is basically the lower bound for the sequence. And when we can say this lower bound is an infimum, that means there is no number greater than m is a lower bound for the sequence an. So this is called an infimum or the greatest lower bound of the sequence. And what is supremum or least upper bound of a sequence? Least upper bound, LUB, short form. The number capital M is said to be supremum or the least upper bound for the sequence an if the number capital M is an upper bound for the sequence an, which is basically capital M must be an upper bound for the sequence an. And when we can say this upper bound is a supremum for the sequence, no number less than capital M is an upper bound of the sequence an. Now we will see the solution of this question. Let an is equal to -1 whole to the power of n by n. Then by substituting n is equal to 1, what happens? A1 is equal to -1 whole to the power of 1 by n, which is equal to -1. Suppose n is equal to 2, -1 whole square by 2, which is 1 by 2. A is equal to 3, -1 whole cube by 3. That means we are observing that we are getting an alternate negatives and followed by the denominator in natural numbers. So A1 is equal to -1, A2 is equal to 1 by 2, A3 is equal to -1 by 3, A4 is equal to 1 by 4, A5 is equal to -1 by 5. You can observe there is an alternate sign, negative sign follows by the terms in the sequence. So you can observe, my dear viewers, -1 is the infimum for this sequence. Why? This -1 is basically a lower bound for this sequence, and no number greater than this -1 is a lower bound for this sequence an. So therefore the greatest lower bound or infimum for this sequence is -1. That is alpha is equal to -1. 1 by 2 is the least upper bound for this sequence, because 1 by 2 is the upper bound for this sequence and no number less than 1 by 2 is an upper bound for this sequence. So the least upper bound or supremum for the given sequence beta is equal to 1 by 2. So what we have to manipulate? What is alpha minus beta? Infimum minus supremum. Alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 2, which will give minus 3 by 2. Yes. What is the right option? Capital D. D is the right option. Yes. Thank you for watching our videos. All the best for the set exam. Please subscribe our channel to get more solutions for more questions.